which this might just come down with the headliner. Yep, that one's just gonna come down with the headliner. Next, we're gonna move to the other side of the car. It's gonna be the same thing on this side. Pull that little tab down, go back up in there, screw it, pull that out. Oh, drop the screw. Put that back in there, close the tab, and the door you go. Next, go up front. Do the same thing with this visor. Pull off the little cover piece. Sorry if it's kind of hard to see in here. It is a little dark right now. Hopefully we'll get some better lighting soon. Throw that down in there. Take your 2 screws out. Those in there. Pull that down. Make sure to take this out. Throw that in there. Now, a lot of times there's this centerpiece right here. Usually you'd have to unclip it or unscrew it, but this one just comes down with the headliner. This light fixture as well comes down with the headliner on this car. We're gonna go ahead and take this A-pillar, pull it out, and actually that'll be enough room right there. And next, let's make sure that there's no clips in the back here at all. So what we'll do is we'll take our light, and there's 2 clips right here, and we'll again use our little green handle. Now what we do is you put your thumb up against the center of it. That way it doesn't fly off whenever you're taking it off. You just pull down. Again with this one, you just pull down. And sometimes these things do break. They are cheap pieces though. So if they do break, it's pretty easy order. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get in back here behind the headliner. We're gonna pull it out. Pull it out of the B-pillar. And it does crinkle up a little bit sometimes, but that goes away right as soon as the pressure is taken off. Next, we'll get back here, take that out. And then once you get one side all the way down, you pull. Unless that's getting caught on. Go ahead and alright, so with these headliners, sometimes it's glued down on a lot of these, and that makes the access a little harder, so you just pull the wiring and the tubing out of the glue, and it makes it a lot easier to access. Now you pull forward, push back, and bam, that's how you take down a headliner.